Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in NBA Live Mobile, right? And guys, it's very easy. Once your game is able to play, just click on tap screen to play, and after that you have to log in. So if you're already logged in, then it's great. Let me log in it right now. Now guys, once you are inside the game, the very easy thing to add your friends is just on the top right side corner. You will see this settings icon here. Just click over this settings icon, and after that you will get this option which is called link account, right? So here just click on link, right? And after that you will get this option of link Facebook. So once you click on link, it will ask you to log in your Facebook details here, and once you do it, all your friends will show in the left side of the screen, right? So it's pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and there is other thing to do it. You can just click on Google Play also, and if you have added your friends there, then also it will show your friends on the left side. So this is it. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.